YouTube gang, you don't know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab, you know, man. And you see what we are dealing with today. We got Malie Donn, the one named Frigid. I think he dropped this like a day or two ago. You see me, but I react to you right now. You don't know Malie doing his thing. Yo, look like that there back a yard. You see me, because just, you know, for the last couple tracks, he been dropping straight American visuals like he did over here. You see me, I say, but no. Oh, wait, scratch their yard. So Malie their yard too. Of course, duh. Come on, tripping. Anyway. The one named Frigid, we'll check it out and see where dog do. Look like a dog there yard, man, drop some new visuals from yard. So you don't know. Now the vibes. Let's get it, gang. Appelos is a company that's been putting some work lately, you know. Big up Appelos. Malie Donn, Frigid. Money we want pocket for your load. That's right. Come on.
I get to my band, me see my nigga poor. Back in my yard and just a ring a phone. I'm money me want, my pocket for your load.
Yes.
I take off a charge because me yard.
Yeah. My money we want, see my nigga poor. I want to your pocket for your load, you know. I want to
my pocket for your load. I take off a charge because me yard cold. So me stop cry tears and everything I snow. Louis Vuitton, I never feel a door. Girl in my yard and yeah, she still a glow. Have my dick in her mouth, so yeah, she still a chew. So she
easy, Malie. You don't know Malie. I have to chew one of them line there. When I chew line them, you don't. That's Malie style, signature. You see me? What you?
Vuitton, I never feel a door.
But yeah, man, hey.
Girl in my yard and yeah, she
man say your matic have to charge, cause me yard cool. I want to go on.
Still a glow. Have my dick in her mouth, so yeah, she still a chew. Rikachu, so she a ride panic killer slow. Girlfriend say me is a dog, but me still a goat. She pop a pill a door, so she head chipper more.
Rikachu. You say weird.
Me still a goat. She pop a pill a door, so she head chipper more.
Weird. I don't party man pull up. Here go on.
Panic killer slow. Girlfriend say me is a dog, but me still a goat. She pop a pill a door, so she head.
Girlfriend say me a dog, but me still a goat. Go on, choo.
Chipper more while she fuck out, she hold pan a villa door. All when my chipper did you sell me still a flow. Just touching on my 20s and me still a grow. How you feel this is done, you must a sniff a coat. That girl a pussy wet, my cocky a gun.
How you feel this is done? You must sniff a coat. Eh? How you feel this Jambisco done? I'm here, you know what? Why? Hey, move up, come through.
Need a coat, suck your mother jagger, no depend on you. Make your old skull send me pension too. No feel me free.
Easy, you go suck your mother jagger, no depend on you. Make your old skull send me pension too. Yeah, man, everything.
Make your old skull send me pension too. No feel me afraid and no sentence to. Movie shut a pussy and set a example.
Yes.
Panty and squeeze. But some gun
afraid. We set the example in a boy. Oh, I'm you know yourself.
Release. Some call my skull and chop my phones and girl go down for the knees. Them don't got ears like these. Take my money by leads. Shall take off your clothes and take out more. Girl take my body like this.
Easy, Malie Donn. On to them, man. Behave themself, man. Yeah, man. They got chop your free. Come through.
Some panty and squeeze. Bust some gun till it breeze. Some call my skull and chop my phones and girl go down for the knees. Them don't got ears like these. Take my money by leads. Shall take off.
Them don't got guns like these. Take more money by leads. Come through.
Your clothes and take out more. Girl take my body like this. I get to my band, me see my nigga poor. Back in my yard and just a ring a phone. I'm money me want, my pocket for your load. I take off a charge because me hard cold. So me stop cry tears and everything I snow. Louis Vuitton, I never feel like
me stop cry tears and everything I snow now. Come through you, go on.
Girl in my yard and yeah, she still a glow. Have my dick in her mouth, so yeah, she still a chew.
Hey.
Me full of powers like a Wobia man. We have to reach my dog, you know the plan.
You mean that I planning the Dan Mafia? We have to do what? Reach out here, come through.
I wonder when me get the bang at Tony from. I'm not answer to no pussy, me I'm a one of them.
Easy.
Them man freeze, but means a cola man. What?
Well, we say we not answer to no boy, we want to Dan. I want to hear Jambisco Dan. I want to hear. Hey, yeah, we run a thing, man. I want to.
Them I wonder when me get the bang at Tony from. I'm not answer to no pussy, me I'm a one of them. Them say them man freeze, but means a cola man.
Yes.
What that them a wife up a where you get that word from? Buckler.
Yeah, man, say them cool. Hey, say them hard free, but me's a cola man.
Man freeze, but means a cola man. What that them a wife up a where you get that word from? Buckler. What do that clown ya man?
Oh, that.
He better you go Johnny.
Clown that, go John. Hey, what?
Self and Johnny, gal. See them a pass.
We take go John yourself and John your girl. Move up.
Do that clown ya man. He better you go Johnny self and Johnny, gal. See them a pass them place, them getting out of hand. But me no need them vote.
No man,
Porsche fam. Pussy me rich a fuck you think a Scotia one. Fully connect like he's a rota plan.
Me rate you think I score alone. Think I score? Hey, move up.
To my band, me see my nigga poor. Lock in a me yard and just a ring a phone. I'm money me want, my pocket feel load. I take off a charge because for me heart cold. So me stop cry tears, everything I snow.
Yes.
Louis Vuitton, I never feel a
Coffee charge, coffee me hard cool. So me stop cry tears and start snow come true.
heart cold. So me stop cry tears, everything I snow. Louis Vuitton, I never feel a door. Girl in a me yard and yeah she still a glow. Have me dick in her mouth, say yeah she still a chew.
Easy.
Have me dick in her mouth, say yeah she still a chew.
She not stop joke bro. That is it. Shit. Malie Donn. Bomba gang, that's what I doing. That is it. Malie pon them. Yo. Yeah man. Mr. Vanilla Card himself. Mr. V6 himself. Bachun. Malie, you did your thing on that shit, gang. No cap. And also, gang, let me know one thing about the one day. If you like it, let's go show the artists on love and support, making us solid dancing. You see me answer, gang? Yeah, man, that's a vibe. Big up Malie on the track. You see me answer? Yeah, man. Malie always have it's always an experience listening to Malie tracks. You see me answer? That always a nice blend between girl tune, dog tunes, chopper, everything. Everybody can listen to each song and have a vibe. You see me answer, gang? No joke. But yeah, the next time, gang, take care of yourself. And let's chop it up in the comment section. You don't know. Road to 10K now, man. Do. Hit the like and subscribe. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.